Chennai facing problems: polluted drinking water and scarcity of drinking water. High population density: 25% of the population lives in slums. A polluted environment: traffic congestion, polluted roads and poor maintenance of roads. Chennai has many type of companies like software companies with 10,000 of workers. As the water needed by these companies is drawn from the ground, the groundwater level is decreasing in various places around Chennai. Due to this, farmers have to sell the land and come to Chennai city in search of livelihood. To know more about Chennai, subscribe now.